My name is Glenn from Airicons. What we do is we teach airbrushing, so people can learn from never picked up an airbrush before through to be able to do things in a professional manner. This is what we have behind me here is Unit 1 work. So this is from people that have never used an airbrush ever in their life, and what we do is we show them how to use the airbrush properly. We go through all the exercises so that while they're learning to airbrush, that they can't fall over, they can keep going. That's why we call it the foundation part of our process.
So far it's been a very good course. There's a lot of stuff that I learned, a lot of stuff that I picked up, which I've been in other courses where that has been missing.
So it's going back to the beginning, the basics, learning what I should have been doing. It makes so much more sense.
Well, I really enjoyed the first one, and even though it was really basic techniques, we managed to finish a complete portrait, so even though it was very basic, it was really effective, and I really enjoyed that.
Love it. Absolutely love it. I'm glad I came. Really good course.